there, welcome back to Beauty Bees. I'm Iris. Today I'm unboxing the Walmart Beauty Box for fall. I kind of forgot that I was subscribed to this. I had been subscribed in the past and then I took about a year off, and my first box under my new subscription was for the summer. This is the fall box and this is version 7 in case anyone is looking at their tracking information and trying to figure out what they have. So we have the pink box. I admit I have taken a peek in here and I'm not super excited about the contents, but you know, you can take a look and decide for yourself. This is probably the single most affordable beauty subscription box around. It is $6.95 quarterly. I find that I usually get 1 to 2 full sizes and then 4 to 5 sample sizes. And those sample sizes can be anything from like really deluxe samples to the kind you would get for free at Ulta or Sephora. So pulling the first item out, this is, I think, pretty promising. This is a Hask Keratin Smooth Deep Conditioner. I like these Hask deep conditioners. I've used them several times in the past. I usually get about 2 to 3 uses out of one of these, and they tend to be really nice deep conditioners. So happy with that item. Next up, we have a subscription box staple. I feel like I have gotten this in probably 3 different Walmart beauty boxes. It is the Degree Advanced 72 Hours Spray Deodorant. This one is in Sexy Intrigue. I cannot say that I've ever actually thought of deodorant as being sexy or intriguing, but you know, maybe they'll change my mind on that. Is it very fun to get in this kind of box? No. Will I use it? Probably. So 2 items down. The next item, these. This is what I was talking about when I mentioned the like really tiny samples that should probably be free with an order. This is from Olay. It is their Cleansing Melts Water Activated Daily Facial Cleanser. And apparently there are like little cloths in here that are, I don't know, like a little bit bigger than a postage stamp. And you're supposed to use each of these dissolving pads as a face wash for a single use. So 4 uses of a face wash, I mean, I guess that is enough to tell if it's going to break you out, if it's not doing an adequate job of cleaning your face, if it's going to be irritating to you, but I feel kind of silly having paid for this sample, you know? Next up, we have a full-size item. I mentioned there usually are 1 or 2 of these in these boxes. This is the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus Lash Line Micro Eye Pencil. I got mine in the shade Bold Black. I've not used this particular pencil before, but I have used eye pencils from CoverGirl and quite liked them. So hopefully this one ends up working out for me. Did I really need another black liner? Probably not, but no. This is probably at or slightly above the cost of the box, so that makes me feel a little bit better about the value at least. Okay, so 2 more items left. The next one is from EOS. This is not very exciting to me because I've actually used this lotion before. I liked it, it was fine, but it wasn't something I was excited to go out and purchase. This is the Shea Better 24-Hour Moisture Body Lotion in Vanilla Cashmere. Now, on the bright side, I did have actually 3 of these. I think probably in this size even. I had a vanilla one, a peach one, can't even remember what the third one was, And this was my favorite of the three. I thought this scent was the nicest of the bunch, so if I was gonna get another one, probably good to have this. But I have so much lotion, and I don't feel like these EOS ones are anything special. Now, it's sealed, so I'm not gonna pop it open right now, but it is a really pretty, like, warm vanilla, sort of a fall winter take on vanilla. So that is, again, probably a good value adder for the box. I would guess that if you were to buy this on its own, it would probably be $3 or $4, and the box is $6.95. And then the last item, we have this Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Hold Jelly. I don't know what it is. I thought maybe I had escaped this by unsubscribing for a year, but Walmart beauty boxes have consistently sent me hair products designed for women of color. They ask you, some information about you when you sign up. So they know that I am a fair-skinned, I think it says that I'm blonde and green-eyed. And then I get these, which is a little disappointing. I mean, if you were someone who could use this or had members of your family that could use this, it would be an awesome sample, I think. There's quite a bit of product in here. It's a 1 fluid ounce size. I would bet that this would last quite a while. I just don't really have any use for it. And then in the boxes, we always have a little guide to what is inside. So they are listing as full-size items, the CoverGirl liner and then the Hask hair mask. Both of these are pretty practical items. I will use both of them. I feel like I got my money out of the box. I was a little disappointed though to look at the guide and realize that instead of the hair product that I can't use, I was supposed to receive a NYX lip gloss in the Duck Plump line. Now, that's not a line I've been super interested in trying, but I like my other NYX lip glosses, and I would have been pretty excited to get one of those. But overall, not too bad of a box, not an exciting one, but I'm not going to cancel Before Winter's box or anything. So let me know what you think of this box. And if you received the Walmart beauty box, I would love to hear what you got this season, or if you're still waiting for the fall box to come to you. And I would be very interested. Like, do you find that they just give you totally random products that clearly weren't made for your demographics? Or are they a little bit more in line with what you put on your survey? I'd be really interested, because I don't know why they just consistently give me hair products for women of color. I mean, it's still worth it, but it's just a little bit strange, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please consider liking and subscribing if you did, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.